Welcome to episode 7 of Shore Excursions Around the World. In this episode, we're in Southeast Alaska in Ketchikan, Alaska. Alaskan cruises are bucket list cruises for many people, and Southeast Alaska is one of the most popular cruise destinations when you're coming out of Seattle, Vancouver, anywhere along the west coast there. So, one of the popular shore excursions is Ketchikan, Alaska. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 shore excursions that you can book when visiting Ketchikan, Alaska. Pick number 1 in Ketchikan, Alaska, you won't have to go very far for, and that is the Alaskan Lumberjack Show. And that is right there in the port, so you don't have to walk very far. You can book it through your cruise line. As you see, Carnival is offering it. I've seen it on Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises. I believe all cruise lines offer this because it's a very popular shore excursion. But you can also book it at the port. You can go to the Lumberjack Show and get your tickets. However, I would strongly recommend booking it through your cruise line because they do book up fast. So I definitely recommend booking it through your cruise line so that you can make sure that you definitely don't miss out if this is something that you're planning on doing, because this show does sell out quickly. This is a really fun show where you get to see some Alaskan history, the lumberjacks putting on a little bit of a show for you, and they feed you an all-you-can-eat crab legs feast. If this is on your list, definitely make sure you book it through your cruise line. Now, there is no minimum age required for this particular excursion. It is a 4-hour excursion total, but you're usually there for a good amount of time when you are in Ketchikan, so you have plenty of time to go to the show, and then after the show you can walk around the port a little bit and see some sights there at the port. Another great thing that you'll want to take a look at when you're visiting Ketchikan is the wildlife. There is so much wildlife to see when you're in Alaska, but getting the chance to see some wildlife up close and personal is amazing. So my pick number 2 for you is the Alaska Bear Adventure. Now, yes, this one is a little pricey, but you are taking a seaplane to the Tongass National Forest, and you are getting a really beautiful scenic view of all of the forest area. You do get a chance to see some bald eagles. It's a really good chance of being able to see some bears while you are on this particular excursion. Now, I have seen Alaskan bear excursions offered on all cruise lines in various forms. So all cruise lines are going to offer different types of packages on what you can see when you're going through the Tongass National Forest, because almost all of them offer a chance to go through the Tongass National Forest to see the bears. But there are some amazing opportunities to get a chance to see some bears a little close, but some off in a distance, so don't forget your binoculars. But these are some amazing shore excursions to get a chance to see, and just seeing the bald eagles in their natural habitat is also a beautiful thing to see as well. So definitely take a look at that if getting a chance to see some wildlife, bald eagles, and some bears and the beautiful forestry out there in the Ketchikan area. Now, Ketchikan is also known as Salmon Capital of the World. So if you're not planning on booking a shore excursion while you're in Ketchikan, then definitely take a look at Creek Street. Just a little bit of a walk from the dock right there in the port. You can get a chance to see some of the salmon swimming upstream. Plus, there is some amazing restaurants right there that serve some delicious salmon. Now, if you are looking for a shore excursion, but you're looking for something maybe a little bit more adventurous while you're in Ketchikan, pick number 3 just might be for you. Adventure Cart Expedition, offered by Carnival, but I've seen this one on the Royal Caribbean as well. So if an adventure is on your list, definitely check out taking a cart off-roading the Tongass National Forest. Now, you do get a chance to not only enjoy the off-roading through the beautiful forestry area, but you will get a chance to see some wildlife. There is always wildlife to watch out for when you are in Alaska. So this might definitely be something on your list if you're looking for an adventure. I hope this was helpful for you. If you chose any of these or another shore excursion to book while you are in Ketchikan, leave me a comment. I would love to hear what you booked and what it was like for you. If you have another port on your Alaskan cruise that you want to take a look at, definitely make sure you watch the next video here on Shore Excursions Around the World in Southeast Alaska. Bye for now.